What up? Hello, friends. Welcome to our fun and games. Oh, I need to zoom the camera in again. But hello, happy Web Dev Wednesday. How is everybody? How's your week been? Any Wednesday wins? Yo, you got it. Let me just zoom in. What? That's better. There we go. Sleepy. Oh no. Why are you sleepy? Welcome to the madness. I don't actually know what we're going to work on today. Any preferences? You did write regex on your own. I was very impressed with that. It was funny. Just after you did that, I was looking at a thing at work where it wasn't finding a Cypress test was failing because it wasn't finding some text on a page, but the text, according to Cypress, the text had like /G and stuff around it. So I was like, oh, regex. Ooh, up at 5:30. Eesh. Who wants to do that? So we can work on. I don't know what we can do first. So, if you were here on Saturday, you'll know that I started to make a app that uses. Today we learn regex. We can learn regex if you like. I was going to do some refactoring, but I mean that's not that exciting. We can do something else. We can do some learning. I'm open to suggestions. Please no. Not now. But yeah, I was going to refactor this. Now it works, but well, it sort of works. Works a bit of a strong word. It does work, but we need to work out how to do waiting for success. This is web related because it's using HTTP clients. So technically it's web dev. So we can always refactor this, or I'm open to suggestions. We can try making a chatbot in another language. We can try and get SignalR. We could do a SignalR tutorial. I don't mind. We can pick a different language. I installed PHP yesterday. We could have a laugh. Could do some Twilio Quest and do a web dev language. I don't mind. I just couldn't decide what to work on today, to be honest. So I just went with whatever. I'm guessing that you're on a phone, so your responses are delayed. So I just see a laughing face, but I've no idea what you're laughing at. Work on the bot. You need to complete one. Rude. I have completed one. I'll have you know that Battleground bot works perfectly well. Usually. Okay, bot it is. So we got the bot working on in React. It displays on the page. I guess we could go back to that bot. It's really functionality we want to implement in it, though. That's the thing. I haven't decided what I want it to do yet. But look at you. Shaming me into completing a project. Do your C# one be different? Okay. That's not what I meant to do. File. Recent. There we go. Oh, for God's sake. Go away, AWS Explorer. File. Open. Project solution. We want to go to here. Here. Is it that, I think? Oh, yes. This is where we got to. So, this works over works on console, but we need to get it working on the front end. Sorry, I've been yawning a lot today. It's not you. But okay, so we need to work out what's going on with this. So I've been working on, I'm just an insomniac, so this happens a lot. I've been working on from GitHub, that one. So this is, don't know what's the matter with me today. Yeah, so this is Layla Code's It working example, which I was using as a reference. So you've got the chatbot, then you've got the agent, which is the program. So we've got that down here. You see, we've got BattleBot agent, and so that sets up the configuration from app settings, gets the channel and the auth token, then creates a new bot. The bot will then create the hub, which is a file, I believe, up here in services. When you get there's now a property called message received, but I think we need to ditch that. But yeah, you set up the connection credentials with your username and your access token, and then we create a new WebSocket client, the new Twitch client. So we saw all this last week. So this stuff here is not new. So that's just doing some event listeners for these different events. And then here, so if we run this, it should message in chat. And then when a message is received, it sets the message received to be the username and the message. And then what we want to say to it is send a message. So it passes this up to that chat hub, which is up here. And it says send the message to all clients. But I haven't got to the bottom of yet why the messages aren't received. But if we run this quickly, you should see that my account will talk in chat. I know we need to fix. Let's have a look. So hub connection builder does not contain. Okay, so let's just get to the bottom of that one first, because that seems important. Oh, this is going to get interesting because control's not working on this split keyboard. Hang on, we're gonna have to do that. So I've plugged in my second keyboard just so I can do the buttons that weren't working. So if we go to hub connection builder with URL. Yeah, it's just different keys go iffy at different times. So I was recently having issues with T, but then T's all right, and now control's having a bad time. Like, I am quite enjoying the keyboard, but I feel like at some point I ought to send it back to you, just so it can be resoldered. Alexa, change the office lights to purple. There you go. It's a good thing about having a Echo Show on my desk now. Is that I don't even have to get my phone out. I can just talk to it. I should turn the main light off. You'll see it better. Oh yeah. I had plans to play with Leap Motion tonight. But it's like a USB gesture thing. Not USB, infrared. But I think I reused the like micro USB 3 to USB cable for a hard drive, external hard drive. And I couldn't locate the external hard drive fast enough to find the cable. So no Leap Motion yet. A cable's like a $5 on Amazon, so I'll just order a new cable and then we can do some Leap Motion fun. Okay, so it's HTTP extensions. Okay. Extensions. I can do it. Here we go. What? Signal.client. Okay. Dependencies, packages. Oh, we've got client.core. Interesting. Okay, so let's just keep reading. So it takes the connection builder. So that's ASP.NET Core Signal Client. So let's try and install it. Manage packages. So we've got that. Oh, it's updates a lot of these. Okay. Let's update those. And then we also want to signal client. We should put some spaces in that. ASP.NET Core Signal Client. Install it. Then we should get the bits and bobs that we need. Okay. So if we, yeah, see, control's just not working. So Control Z, let's put this back to that. There we go, beautiful. So now that works. So the connection is a new connection.